Power Systems Services are proud to introduce the Air Conveyor. It's a system that virtually eliminates maintenance, reduces dust pollution, improves versatility, and cuts energy costs. The air conveyor floats on a cushion of air. Through small holes in the cavity, air spreads out evenly to about 1 millimeter in thickness. This thin film of air will support loads of up to 1,000 kilos per square meter and enables materials to be conveyed at high speed with minimum friction. A type of transport belt which is almost friction-free has many advantages compared with other conveyors. The noise level is considerably reduced, and the low friction reduces the energy needed. These 90-meter-long conveyor belts, for instance, are operated by a 2-horsepower motor. Here, the actual retrenchments are up to 70% on horizontal transport. Another important advantage is that transport on air cushions eliminates the problem of dust getting stuck in mechanical parts, which would result in increased wear in rolls, bearings and belts. There is simply no dust, even at the edge of the belt. The slight stream of air keeps the conveyor clean. This results in a drastic reduction of maintenance costs. The air conveyor can be totally encapsulated, as little maintenance is necessary. Thick deposits of dust on surrounding areas become a thing of the past. Because the air conveyor requires the absolute minimum of maintenance, the time and cost involved in erecting closed footbridges can be eliminated. The traditional roller conveyor moves in an uneven way, in a wave movement over the support rolls. On an air cushion belt, the material floats along without vibrations, and the even belt movement proves itself advantageous in many ways. The material stays on the belt, thus avoiding dust, and the even movement allows the maximum angle of inclination. The air conveyor can transport coal with an angle inclination of up to 30 degrees. 25 degrees will allow a large safety margin. On a traditional conveyor, a 16-degree angle of inclination would result in coal rolling down the belt because of the wave action. This feature means that the air conveyor installations require far less space. Also, the increased angle of inclination is more economical by reducing the belt length. An air conveyor set at 10 meters high with an angle of inclination of 25 degrees is only 23 meters long. If a roll-supported conveyor inclines 10 meters, the length would be 36 meters, which is more than 50% longer. So, apart from the lower cost, storage space is used to the full. But there are other reasons for using the air conveyor above and beyond cost efficiency and environmental concerns. Unlike traditional conveyors, the air cushion conveyor works equally well in both directions of feed. The air conveyor's reversibility, combined with the simple construction, opens up a number of entirely new possibilities. At Superfos Fredericia in Denmark, the fertilizers run from the weighing station via the air conveyor to the pier for loading. To achieve the greatest flexibility, the feeder must be able to move parallel with the pier. This problem was solved by hanging the air conveyor on wheels under a fixed conveyor top along the pier. In this way, the feeder can reach anywhere that it's required. The conveyor is only half as long as a traditional conveyor would be with a throw-off device. In addition, the simple air conveyor makes long, self-supporting constructions economical. This shows a model of a Danish power station where the air conveyor has been installed 170 meters across the storage area with only one supporting post in the middle. In this way, the length of the belt is reduced considerably and the storage area brought to better use. The bulldozer can move freely all over the area without the risk of collision with supporting posts. Traditionally, conveyors are normally only able to throw off coal from the end of the belt, which results in an accumulation close to the supporting posts. An alternative is a throw-off car which can deposit material over a large area. However, a throw-off car can be slow and difficult to maneuver. Coal dust can present a serious health hazard affecting the eyes, lungs and respiratory system. The development of an entirely new throw-off system in cooperation with a Danish power station solves this problem in a very efficient and cost-effective way. In the middle of the storage area, the upper air conveyor leads to another air conveyor mounted on a wheel under the fixed lid, allowing movement across the entire area. When the coal reaches the belt, it's registered by a feeder guard which automatically moves the air conveyor. The material will then land on top of the existing heap, eliminating most of the dust problems that arise from the free descent of the coal. When the air conveyor arrives at the middle of the area, the direction is changed. In May 1988, alterations were made to the transport system of this power station. Here, a section of the air conveyor is being hoisted by crane onto a 20-meter high bearing column. Within 8 weeks, the system was fully operational and the air conveyor was transporting 1,000 tons of coal per hour. Where it had previously been necessary to use 3 bulldozers, this power station now normally only uses 1. The air conveyor has, over the past few years, made a huge impact on the conveyor market in Europe. The features that have led to its success in coal conveying apply equally across the spectrum of bulk materials handling applications. In improving the efficiency of quarries, reducing dust pollution in cement works, and ensuring that bulk cereals and other foodstuffs are conveyed with speed and efficiency. Thanks to the system's flexibility, environmental friendliness and operational safety, there's no doubt that in the future, bulk transport will be dominated by air cushion conveyors, especially where long-term financial planning and equipment reliability play a major role. Power System Services are sole UK agents for the air conveyor and can offer a complete installation package. This includes site investigation, civil engineering, erection and commissioning. The air conveyor, the way forward in materials handling technology.